So with the recent release of the latest model of Claude, which is Opus 5, I thought this was a good opportunity for me to show you guys how powerful it is and how it can assist you in building up a remote online business. Now, I'm someone that's been running remote businesses for the past 10 years or so. It's completely transformed my life. It's allowed me to buy my freedom back, and it's also allowed me to maneuver in any way that I want. And I want to show you guys how you can use Claude to help you potentially do the exact same thing. It's going to come down to these 3 different steps that you can see on the screen. I'm going to break down each one. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do so that hopefully by the end of this video, you're going to get the full picture as to what goes into this entire system. So we're going to start off with one of the first steps, which is going to be digital product creation. Now, you guys already know that Claude is amazing when it comes to building up digital products. If you didn't already know, you can actually build a wide range of products ranging from spreadsheets, digital planners, Notion templates, the list goes on and on. But in today's video, I'm going to keep it simple and I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it to build a digital product store, specifically one that's going to sell ebooks. Most people don't know this, but there's countless different stores out there right now that are listing ebooks, they're selling them on a regular basis, and they're able to generate real revenue. For example, if I go onto this tool over here called Digital Maker AI, there's this new feature that's been added called Store Finder. This is being updated on a regular basis. There's all of these different digital product stores that are selling different types of digital products. You're able to see the URL of the store, the product focus, the ways that they're able to get traffic. If they've got a YouTube channel, you can also see the subscriber amount over here as well, the amount of products, as well as the estimated monthly revenue. Digital Maker AI is going to play a pivotal role throughout this entire thing, and I'm going to break down throughout this video exactly how it can assist you. I'm going to leave a free link to sign up in my description down below. But what I want to do is quickly show you the stores that are mainly selling ebooks. Again, a lot of them are doing really well, doing over 5 figures every single month. I can see it in this column right here. So you can click directly into the store to see exactly how they've structured things. Let me click into this one over here. Okay, so this store looks like they're selling PDF guides, ebooks to help people with professional DIY, woodworking, metalworking, so on and so forth. And I would say that they're bringing in a decent amount of income. A lot of people would be completely happy with this. Let's go over to this one over here. This person has also built a professional looking store as well. And they've got all of these different ebooks where it looks like they're helping people understand how they can start golfing or improve their golfing techniques. So from these 2 examples alone, I'm sure that you can tell that there's so many different random topics out there that you can send to your ebook store around. And there's certain techniques that these stores are doing that's allowing them to bring in the revenue that they're bringing in. And that's also what we're going to be talking about in today's video. This one is using email marketing. We can see that they've got this pop-up that appears where once I enter my email, I'm going to be added into a email automation sequence that's going to try and turn me into a paying customer. Many of the sites that you can see here that are selling all of these different digital products are doing something similar. So yeah, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use tools like Omnisend, how you can build out your website, how you can build digital products. But let's go back over to the first step, which is going to be the actual digital product creation. Most people tend to get confused on how they can use Claude to build out a sellable digital product, but realistically, it all comes down to entering in the right prompt. One common mistake that most people make is that they believe they can go directly onto Claude just like this. Select the latest model of Opus. As you can see right here, we've got Opus 5. And then they can just enter out a prompt telling it to build out a product. Now, I'm not saying that it can't do it and it all depends on your prompting skills. But if you're someone that's completely new to this and you want Claude to write out the best ebook possible, it's going to come down to using a structured prompt. And the way that you can get that is within the prompt maker. If we go back over to this tool, what I'm going to do is go over to the prompt maker. We're going to click on Claude. It's going to ask us what is it we're looking to build today. I'm going to say that I want to build an actual digital product. And as you can see, these are all of the different types that you can build. But today we're focused on ebooks. So I'm just going to select that. It's then going to ask you what is the title of your ebook. Now I'm going to use a demonstration for the remainder of this video. I'm going to write out an ebook when it comes to helping people start a faceless YouTube channel. Let's say hypothetically, I wanted to start selling this ebook and I wanted Claude to help me write it. What I could do is just give it the title of the ebook just like this. Click on next. what did I want my ebook to be about? So I'm just going to give it basic instructions. It's going to be here where you can put the specific details as to what you want to be included in your ebook, but I'm just going to enter this in, click on next. How many chapters do you want to be in your ebook? It's going to depend on your niche. I'm going to keep it short and sweet today because I don't want to spend too much time waiting for Claude to load. So we're just going to go with that, click on next. What's the color scheme going to be? We're going to go with YouTube colors, red and white. Next. Author name, let's just call it Success with Sam. Perfect. Next. Writing style, we're going to go with creative, and then I'm going to click on generate prompt. And it's going to be with this custom prompt that you're now going to copy it by clicking on this, making your way back over to Claude. Pasting it in there just like that, making sure that you've selected the right model of Claude, and then clicking on send message. Okay, there we go. So as you guys can see, Claude has gone straight to work to start writing out this entire ebook. It's reading through the prompt that we've entered. It's making sure that it structures it in the right way. It's doing everything to make sure that it's going to be a sellable digital product. This isn't a quick process. It's probably going to take up to 15, 20 minutes, depending on how many chapters you entered. But yeah, it's going to go through each and every single chapter, as you can see right there. So I'm going to leave it to do its thing. It's probably going to take a few more minutes, but as soon as it's done, I'm going to be back straight away. Okay guys, I'm back, and by the looks of it, it's about to finish the final chapter. Okay, perfect. There we go. So the ebook is now complete. So yeah, it did take a little while, but that's because it wrote out 77 pages just like that. Now Claude is amazing when it comes to long context writing. It's probably the best AI tool out there that's capable of writing and sticking to the initial prompt. So we can see all of the chapters throughout this ebook over here. We've also got the introduction. We've got every single chapter written out. We've got the correct format. So because it was able to look at the prompt, and the prompt has already instructed it to write out the ebook in a way where it could be sold and people are going to be happy with it, that's exactly why it's been able to come back with the quality that you can see on the screen. And from here, I'm now going to be able to download this by clicking on the download button right there. And what it's going to do is that it's going to return back a PDF ready ebook that's going to be fully formatted. So in this day and age with AI, you don't need to go over to Fiverr, websites like that, to find a freelancer that's going to be a ghostwriter. As long as you've got the right prompt and you know how to use Claude, you're going to be able to build a wide range of different digital products. But moving on to one of the second ways that the latest model of Claude is going to be able to help you when building up a remote online business, which is going to be with email automation. So a lot of people don't really consider email management when building up a remote business, when really and truly it's the only thing that's going to allow you to connect with your customers and your potential customers without any third-party intervention. No one can tell you when to send an email. No one can tell you who you should contact. As long as you've got your email list, it's something that you're going to own no matter what. I've got multiple different email lists for various different businesses that I've been running over the years. And it's one of the things that I definitely don't regret doing because, again, it's allowed me to have contact to tens of thousands of people all around the world, around the clock, whenever I want. And this is something that you also need to consider as well. And the best way to do so is going to be with a tool called Omnisend. Now, there's a few different reasons why I recommend Omnisend. The first one being that you can sign up for completely free. Anyone out there doesn't have any excuse when building up their email list. Second to that, it now connects with your favorite AI tools, whether you use ChatGPT or Claude. Right now, you probably don't see the potential of this, but the fact that you can connect Omnisend directly to your Claude account means that you can talk to Claude in normal language, and it's going to be able to go into your Omnisend account and action anything you want it to action. And it goes without saying, for you to be able to do all of this, you're going to need a website so that you can sell the product, and for you to take advantage of all of this email automation with Claude and Omnisend. So for you to build out your website, it's very straightforward. I've shown this on a previous video. You're just going to click into the website maker on the left within Digital Maker AI. You're going to be able to get a Shopify store up and running where you only need to pay $1. It's going to be completely custom to the type of digital product that you're going to be selling. So this is something that I've already done. And as you can see, this is the site that I'm going to be using. I'm going to show you this in a moment. But you also need to make sure that you've connected your Omnisend account directly to your Shopify account. And to do this, you're just going to use the link in my description down below. You're going to see a similar page that looks like this on the screen. All you need to do is click on Start Now. The connection process is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is just enter your Shopify URL and then click on Install. It's then going to take you through a couple different steps when setting everything up. Anyone can do it, even if you're a complete beginner. But if you wanted to set up an email pop-up, all you need to do is click on forms on the left-hand side. You're going to see all of these different templates. I'm going to go with this one, and I'm just going to update the image to reflect that this site is all about helping people build up a YouTube business. I'm just going to click on replace. I'm going to go over to Pexels where I can get copyright-free images for completely free. I'm going to type in YouTube right there. I'm going to go with this image. This is perfect. I'm going to click on download. I'm just going to drag and drop it into Omnisend just like this. And there we go. The email pop-up has now been set up. If I want to make any changes to it, I can do so, but let's just test it on the actual site. Okay, so I've just clicked into my actual site. If I just scroll down, okay, perfect. So this is what people are going to see. It's going to say save 10% off your first order. Who's not going to want that? So if I click on yes, it's then going to ask for my email. Once I enter it, all of this is going to be tracked and logged within my Omnisend account. So once you've done that, you're now going to be able to use Claude to write all of your emails, schedule them so that you don't have to manually write anything yourself. So to connect the Omnisend MCP to Claude, you're just going to go over to the settings section, then click on customize. Once you've done that, you're going to click on add custom connector. Just simply type in Omnisend just like this, and you're going to use this link, no other link when it comes to using the Omnisend MCP. I'm also going to put this link in my description down below, so be sure to check it out. And then from here, you can update the permissions in any way that you want. I'm just going to set it to always allow, but you may want to confirm things first, but it's going to be completely down to you. But what I'm going to do now that things are connected is I'm going to use Opus 5 to write a 3-day welcome email sequence. So this is going to trigger whenever someone enters their email address. They're going to receive an email every day for the next 3 days with the purpose of turning them into a paying customer. So as we can see, Claude has now gone to work and it's come back with the details of my store. It's also going to come back with a list of different products in your store as well. So the one that I'm going to be mainly focused on is going to be this 2026 YouTube content planner. Essentially what Claude is doing is that it's looking through my entire store. It's trying to get an understanding of the type of products that I sell, and it's then going to understand exactly how to write out this entire email sequence. But yeah, guys, as you can see right there, it's created the discount code in my Shopify store because it's also connected through the Shopify MCP. It set up the code. It knows exactly what the discount is going to be. And it's also written out the 3 different emails as well. So if I just go into the back end of my Omnisend account, as you can see, it's added as a draft just now. I'm just going to click into this to make sure that it's been done accurately. Okay, so we can see the trigger right here. As soon as someone signs up or subscribes to the email marketing using that pop-up, this is going to be email 1. So if I just open it up, let's take a look. I'm just going to click on preview just to see exactly how it looks. Okay, so this is the email that people are going to receive as soon as they sign up. I didn't need to write this myself. I didn't need to copy and paste anything into my Omnisend account. All of this was done with the help of Claude. Let's go back, check out email 2 just to see if it's been done accurately. What's also good is that Claude automatically inserted these delays as well, because within Omnisend you can add a delay, whether it's going to be a day, 2 days, 3 days, 1 minute, 1 hour, whatever you want to do. So Claude added those delays for me. I don't need to manually do it. And it's done the exact same thing for the second email. Let's just open this one up. Okay, not bad at all. This is the second email that the person's going to receive. And remember, because Claude is one of the best email writers out there, the fact that you can now use it within your Omnisend MCP means that you're going to get emails that have been written to convert someone into a paying customer, and it's been automatically formatted as well. But yeah, I'm sure that you guys can see exactly how this Omnisend MCP works when it comes to setting up your email automation. I do have another video coming out real soon, so be sure to subscribe. But in the meantime, if you wanted to sign up to Omnisend, I'm going to leave them linked down below. Remember, you can sign up for completely free and start building your email list. If you're already using another email marketing provider, don't worry, they have an amazing migration service that's going to take a few days for you to move over your contacts, as long as you sign up to the pro plan. And if you did want to sign up to the paid plan, you can get 30% off your first 3 months using code SAM30. All of the information is going to be linked down below, so be sure to check it out. But let's move on to one of the third steps when using Claude to build a remote online business. The first step is to use it to build a sellable digital product. The second step is to set up your email automation on your website. And the third is going to be a way for you to get traffic, which is going to come down to blog automation. Now, a lot of people have the belief that blogging is dead. there's no point in doing it, and there's no way that you can get traffic from it when that isn't true. I myself, I've set up blogs recently and I've been able to get organic traffic going to my site where I don't need to necessarily do any work, because the blog is going to get automatically posted onto my site every single day. If I log into one of my Google Search Console accounts for a new site that I built up not too long ago, as you can see, every day on Google, I'm able to get on average around 200, maybe 150 clicks, unique people going to my site every single day. And one of the traffic methods that I'm using is blog automation. And Claude plays a big role in helping me do this. And I'm going to show you how in a moment. And the thing is, I'm not just saying it just because I'm doing it myself. Countless different digital product stores out there are using an automated blog to help them get traffic as well. If I go over to the store finder in Digital Maker AI, what I'm going to do is click into the blog tab, or the blog drop down menu, sorry. And we've got these 3 different options: active blog, they have a regular blog, or maybe they have no blog. Let's click into the ones that have an active blog. Okay, here we go. So there's all of these different sites over here, and there's this one that stands out to me. They've got 3 products, but yet they've been able to bring in multiple tens of thousands every single month in revenue. So let's click into the actual blog, which you can do by clicking into this. It's going to take you directly to it, where you can now see all of their recent blog articles that they posted. And it seems like they're consistent, posting multiple different articles every single day. And the thing about these articles is that the purpose of them is to drive traffic to this digital product landing page, where they've got these 3 different options. They've got this checklist, and they've also got this digital product bundle. And I actually made a video about this not too long ago, breaking down every single step that goes into setting this up. But it's going to come down to using Claude alongside a AI automation tool called make.com. The way make.com works is that you can build all of these different AI sequences. So this is what the finished product is going to look like. As you can see, you can sign up to make.com for completely free, so don't worry. Essentially, the way that it's going to work is that you're going to be given a Google Sheet that's going to have all of your blog titles as well as the target SEO keyword. From there, the Claude AI module is going to look at that spreadsheet every day, or however often you want to post your articles. It's then going to write the article out in full and send it directly to your Shopify store. There's an entire step-by-step process that goes into this. You're going to have to get a specific prompt from Digital Maker AI, enter all of the information about your store. You're then going to be given a blueprint for you to copy and paste all of this information. It's also going to give you the instructions as to how to set it up. It is very straightforward, but it does come down to understanding exactly what you need to do. I'm just going to speed everything up on the screen right now just so that you get the idea as to what's going to be involved. But don't worry, I'm going to link a video at the end of this one that's going to break down the complete step-by-step process. But yeah, right here we've got the finished version of what it's going to look like. Once you're happy with it, you're just going to click on Run Now. Claude is going to look at the Google Sheet. It's then going to upload the article to Shopify. If I go to the back end of my Shopify store, I'm just going to go to Content, click on Blog Post, and then click on Refresh. And right there, as you guys can see, the article has automatically been posted. If I just click into it, this is the article that Claude was able to write, where it's going to have all of these different hyperlinks in it, where if I click into it, it's going to take me directly to my digital product page. But yeah, these are the 3 different steps that I would recommend anyone out there to use if you're looking to tap into the power of Claude to help you build up a remote online business. Of course, there's always going to be a learning curve, but I'll definitely urge anyone out there to tap into the power of AI when trying to do anything online, because it's going to save you so much energy, it's going to save you so much time, and it's going to get you to that next level sooner than you realize. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. Don't forget to check out Omnisend. It's going to be linked down below with that coupon code, as well as Digital Maker AI. And if you also wanted to watch that video that I made not too long ago, where I show you step by step how you can use Claude with make.com to help you automate your blog articles so that you don't have to think about it, you're going to be able to watch that by clicking the video on the screen right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this, because it's helped out countless people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it's going to be able to help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.